1 cup dry coconut, 2 cups sesame seeds, half tablespoon cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons ghee or melted butter, 2 cups sugar, and 1 cup roasted ground peanuts. Place a pan on medium heat and roast the sesame seeds until light brown in color. Make sure to not over-roast the seeds or it may taste bitter. Set it aside and let it cool down to room temperature. Then finely grind the sesame seeds. Next, set a pan on medium heat, add the ghee and the roasted ground peanuts. Stir constantly for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth in texture. Now place a large pan on medium heat, add the sugar, and a little more than half cup of water to make the sugar syrup. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes until you attain one-string consistency. Then add the grounded sesame seeds, peanut mixture, and coconut. Combine all the ingredients. Add the cardamom powder and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Grease a pan of your choice and immediately transfer the warm mixture to the pan. Flatten the mixture evenly and garnish it with shredded coconut. Let it cool down completely and then cut the barfi in even-sized squares. This Makar Sankranti, enjoy Sesame Peanut Barfis.